Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the right template and units so dimensions match reality. This saves rework. Once done, import a site scan or place a rectangle to match your exterior walls and make sure the camera is in top view for accuracy. Use the tape measure and measurements box to lock in lengths. This gives you precise 1:1 input. By starting with the footprint and measurement controls, you avoid scale drift later and keep the model grounded to real sizes. Next, you establish walls and clear openings. First, offset the exterior outline to set wall thickness 0, 15 m or 6 inches, then push/pull to the desired wall height for a solid shell. Once that is done, draw interior partitions with the line tool and group each wall run so edits don't stick to other geometry. For doors and windows, draw cutouts and push/pull through, then convert them into components. This makes consistent changes fast and keeps the file tidy when you adjust sizes. Finally, you close the model and prepare usable plans. Create floor and ceiling faces, apply materials so rooms read clearly, and add furniture components to check circulation. Once done, dimension key rooms with the dimension tool and save a scene for a clean 2D export. Use parallel projection and top view for plans. If things go wrong, inspect groups and stray edges, ungroup problem areas, delete extra faces, then reform geometry. That usually resolves visual or export issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.